only thing better than an installation is an uninstallation. This seems like it's gonna be a little bit heavy. And from the looks of it, it's got a few mounting points. Looks like we've got 4 bolts in the back. 2 up top here, right in there. And then this thing will just crush me to death. So I have a solution. That'll work. There's my solution. So it's not tight. It's just sitting on there kind of loose-ish. So I'm going to start trying to take bolts off. Actually, not in there that tight. So maybe with my handy impact, I'll be able to get these out. This is a 16 mil. So if I get these loose, I need to trace the wires back into the engine and unhook those first, but we're just seeing what we can do. Let's try and find where these light wires are run to. So what I'm seeing right now is here's the aftermarket ballast. Will that full headlight come out like this? Well, that's a little too easy, don't you think? There's 1, 2, 3. So there's headlights. Wish my headlights came out this easy. Make my life a lot easier. All of this has been taken off so many times that it kind of comes off really easily. Of course there's an LED bulb in here. Why wouldn't there be? There's gotta be relays here or something. That bottom bulb, you actually have to grip the outside of it, turn it, and unlock it. See, it's locked in with pins. So it's free, it's just not totally free. Almost like there's something still stuck. Ah, there we go. There's one underneath the frame as well. Alright, impact. So I'm gonna put these top ones back in. So I'm not looking for that today. So with those off, I think we can free it. spun back a little bit, but we did it. So that's what I was talking about. This whole clip here actually comes out, right? Because you can release it off of there to do it a little bit easier. So mount that clip first, drill your holes, but that's where it is. Mounts one there, one on the other side, one on the top, and then there was one underneath on the bottom there, and that was the one that I didn't see. Right, so top one, both the side ones, and then that bottom one in the back. So you put that on, you reach down and in and push that through. So here it is. Not too hard to get out, honestly. Just a little bit of playing with it. It could have been done without the lift. If I had another person, we could have lifted it off easily. But yeah, it's off and I'm happy. I'm gonna take it over, wash it out, and that'll be the end of it. Maybe I'll put it on a pallet and wrap it up. We'll see. I'll see you in the next one.